Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at these acrylic painters. There's 36 in total in this box. I'm kinda excited about these. What is special about acrylic markers is they can basically, I don't want to say draw on all surfaces, but pretty much on most of the surfaces that we approach in our daily routine. So obviously I had to get some for my classroom because it just makes it much cooler and nicer to work with my students when we have these. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to see how they are presented here, what they look like, how they perform and all that. And we will see that in a sec here. So let's dive right into that. Check that out. And see what we actually are getting. So let's unwrap this. This is a little tougher than I thought it would be, but we're getting there. Now let's rip this open. As you see, we have quite a bunch as advertised. And yeah, let's see. So we're gonna check out the pink one first. Or only the pink one. I mean, we don't have to check all of them. And try what we can get out of that. And draw a little bit on here. And you will see in a sec what I mean when I say like they do cover quite well and all. Because there's probably not going to be any whites shining through when we're done with that. So we'll be there in a sec. Just like seriously, really nice coverage and vibrant color too. And nothing to complain. Now let's try some plastic, because that's what I meant when I was like, yeah, they can pretty much draw on any surface. So plastic, as you see, not a problem at all. Draws on there quite nicely. And also really thick, vibrant, really good. And fairly satisfying, to be honest, to draw with these. And this is what it looks like. So all in all, definitely a good piece, and that's gonna be it for today, guys.